NatureFresh Farms, we are a 250-acre greenhouse growing bell peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, and strawberries for our industry. VeloCloud product portfolio has allowed us to both aggregate our infrastructure and crop and expand rapidly in different areas. VeloCloud allows us to connect between greenhouses, between different facilities across the globe, and allows us to coordinate with each other on what we're going to do and upgrade it in a seamless fashion. What we've learned is each variety of a commodity has a little bit different of a need and a want. Segregating data out and segregating that control through a VeloCloud, as we strategically look at how we distribute, how we pick, and we use technology and edge technology specifically to harvest quickly, to get the product to the right temperature as quickly as we can, and then to make sure it hits that truck that's going to get to the consumer as quickly as possible. Edge intelligence has allowed us to understand what's going on at the edge, what devices are functioning, what are starting to give us issue, to understand and do preventive maintenance to our equipment so we don't have to be in a situation where we're down and we have to do an emergency response to get things working. We know that this is going to go down, we can schedule it, we can control it, and we can keep it all reined in so that we know when it's going to happen. VeloCloud has allowed us to do AI compute at the edge. We've actually kind of started to grow out of a central AI machine, an AI language. We've now expanded to the edge to get that instantaneous response from the edge, that instantaneous growth, and help the growers get that data as quickly as possible. Technology allowed us to simplify the process. Every app that we develop for the edge simplifies it for that edge user so they can do it quicker, easier, and in a way with less training, because it is very intuitive in what you're doing. And it's allowed us to expand and increase our employee portfolio very quickly because it's so quick and easy to use. Being in a farm, being in an enclosed space, Wi-Fi isn't available everywhere. Fiber optics aren't available everywhere. We've been able to use 5G to help us expand that in a secured way and to communicate to areas that are mobile. And it's just given us leverage to do that edge compute. We recently built a distribution center in Delta, Ohio. We were able to instantaneously turn that on, get it connected to all of our apps, deploy our apps to the facility through a centralized edition to get that edge AI to compute. And that didn't happen over weeks or days, it literally happened the moment we turned on. And then it gave us a greater flexibility than we ever had because now we were able to add that 5G as a redundancy for the internet, giving us that flexibility for future knowledge that we will be able to distribute no matter what's going on. NatureFresh, we're always looking into something new. We have a very large R&D facility that works with new edge technology. And as consumer demand comes out there, we're looking to see what the consumers want. And we're looking to use the edge technology to make us agile to respond quickly to a consumer demand for what they want. We continue to evolve everything. Every year we want to see a per meter squared increase in yield, and also to see the longevity of the crop, the taste, and what the consumer wants to see.